Now let's take a look at how to add dormers to your roofs in AutoCAD architecture. What I have here is a detached garage and also a little structure over here with a little roof. This is what is going to become my dormer, okay? And what I want to have is a dormer over top of this garage door and another one over top of this one. So what I like to do is to draw both structures separate and then combine them, and what that allows me to do is to refine my dormer to be exactly how I need it to be. Okay, so you can see that I have all four walls here like a little house and the roof exactly where I need it to be. So once I have both roofs ready, it is now time to combine them. So I'm going to grab the roof here, I'm going to move it over to the middle of this door. So I'm going to move this also towards the front a little bit of the building. Now, if you look at this in left elevation, you'll notice that it is still sitting on the ground. So I need to raise all of these up. So I grab all of the components and then I'll move them up like so, and you put them at a comfortable height. But I think I like where it is now, and I could take a look at this in conceptual, and that's what it looked like. Okay, now once you have the dormer in the location that you want it, it is now time to convert. So I'll click on both roofs, I'll convert them, and I'll erase their geometry, and that gives me roof slabs to work with. Once I'm here, I click on the face of the roof, and at the top here I'm going to click on add dormer, and then I need to select all the components of the dormer. So I need to pick both roof, and I also need to pick all four walls of the dormer. Once that happens, I can hit enter, and just like that, it creates the dormer. But it's not done, because as you can see here, I still have some wall that need to be trimmed away. And so in the command line here, it asks, do I want to cut away the walls as well? And I'm going to say yes. So with that, it trimmed away all the other parts of the roof and the wall and leave me with a dormer. And from here you can add a window to it, just like you add doors and windows to any other wall in your drawing. And of course you would need to delete the remaining piece of wall there, and that's what it looks like underneath. But in the end, this is what we would end up with when you add dormers to the garage.